Welcome everyone to your channel Competitivepedia. Today we are going to discuss current affairs regarding 3rd January 2022. So let's begin our session. First question, which of the following country has recently launched its first project 22220 versatile nuclear powered icebreaker in the series? So your answer for this question is option C, Russia. Clear? Now, Russia recently launched Project 22220 versatile nuclear powered icebreaker. ठीक है, it's first in its series and this icebreaker is known as Shibir. The construction of this Shibir was started in 2015 and the icebreaker was ordered on 22nd of December 2017. Now, Russia capital is Moscow, Russia currency is ruble and its president is Vladimir Putin. Clear? Next question. Who among the following has recently inaugurated the Bina Panki multi-product pipeline project? So your answer is option B, Shri Narendra Modi ji. Clear? Now, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has recently inaugurated the 356-kilometer long Bina Panki multi-product pipeline project. This Bina refinery is in Madhya Pradesh and this Panki is in Uttar Pradesh, Kanpur. And the total investment for this project is 1524 crores. And the project has been completed 1 month ahead of the approved completion schedule of December 2022. And this project will provide for safe and efficient evacuation of products from Bina refinery. Clear? Now, next question. Bollywood actor Vijay Raj and who has been named as the brand ambassador by online travel company easemytrip.com. So your answer is option A, Varun Sharma. Clear? So Bollywood actors Varun Sharma and Vijay Raj were recently named as brand ambassadors for easemytrip.com by online travel company East Trip Planners Limited. Now this company was started in the year 2008 by Nishant Pitti and Rikant Pitti as business to business portal, and this entity entered into business to consumer segment in 2011. Clear? Now, name the Director General of ITBP who has been given the additional charge of another border security force Sahastra Seema Bal recently. So your answer is option A, Sanjay Arora. Clear? Now, ITBP Director General Sanjay Arora has recently been given additional charge of another border security force Sahastra Seema Bal. Now he will succeed Kumar Rajesh Chandra, who is about to retire. Okay. Now Sanjay Arora is a 1988 batch officer of Tamil Nadu cadre and he was appointed as DG of ITBP in August. Now this Sahastra Seema Bal is primarily tasked to guard unfenced Indian borders with Nepal and Bhutan. Clear? Now, next question. Indian fast bowler Jasprit Bumrah has recently become the bowler to take 100 wickets on foreign soil in how many test matches? So your answer is option A, in 22 test matches. Clear? Now, Indian fast bowler Jasprit Bumrah has recently become the bowler to take 100 wickets in 22 test matches on foreign soil. Now, he has taken 105 wickets, and out of these, 101 have come away from home. Clear? Now, Bumrah, who made his test debut in South Africa in the year 2018, has played a total of 25 test matches, and out of these, 23 are away from home. Clear? Now, next question. Which of the following state government has recently partnered with NPCI and SBI to implement e-rupee? So your answer for this question is option D, Government of Karnataka. Clear? Now, the government of Karnataka has recently partnered with NPCI and SBI to implement e-rupee payment solution under scholarship program, which is aimed at enabling students to ensure leak proof payment of education fees. Now, for access to this e-rupee, the identified institute will scan the QR code or the SMS string, which are going to be displayed by the students using an application. Clear? Now, which country will chair the UNSC Counter Terrorism Committee in January 2022 after a long year? So, your answer for this question is option A, India. Clear? Now, after 10 long years, India will chair the UNSC Counter Terrorism Committee in January 2022. Now, this committee assumes greater significance for India as India has been taking appropriate measures to fight terrorism on the global stage. Now, India had chaired this committee for the last time in the year 2012. Now, this counter terrorism committee was established by the Security Council Resolution 1373, which was adopted unanimously on 28th of September 2001 in the wake of 9/11 terror attacks in the US. Now, what are the works which is being done by this committee? Some of them are as follows: to criminalize the financing of terrorism, freezing any funds related to persons involved in acts of terrorism, suppressing the provision of safe haven, and sharing information with other governments on any groups which are practicing or planning terrorist acts, etc. Clear? Who has been appointed as chairman and CEO of Railway Board? So your answer is option B, VK Tripathi. Clear? So, the Indian Railways has appointed VK Tripathi as chairman and CEO of the Railway Board on 1st of Jan 2022. He is currently working as a general manager of Northeastern Railway, Gorakhpur, and he will replace Suneet Sharma. Clear? Who has launched a 100 days reading campaign Padhe Bharat? So it has been launched by Dharmendra Pradhan. This is your answer. Now, Union Education and Skill Development Minister Dharmendra Pradhan launched a 100 days reading campaign Pade Bharat. Now children from Balvatika to grade 7 will be part of this campaign, and this campaign will have the participation of all the stakeholders at the national and the state level. Which state stood first in the implementation of Rurban Mission? So your answer is option B, Telangana. Clear? So Telangana stood first in the implementation of the Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Rurban Mission, and Tamil Nadu and Gujarat took the second and third position. Now, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Rurban Mission was launched in 2016 by the Ministry of Rural Development. Keep it in mind. So guys, this was for the day. Thanks for watching the video till the end. If you like our videos, if you like our channel, please do subscribe it, share with your friends and groups. Happy learning from the team Competitivepedia. May God bless you all. Thank you.